Today, I like to talk about production of oil from waste polythene bags. First, the process flow diagram can explain. Collection and sorting. First, waste polythene bags are collected from municipal and industrial uses. Next, shredding by size reducer. The cleaned PE bags are cut into small pieces using a shredder. Then drying. The shredded plastic is dried to remove moisture. I will remove the moisture. Uh, Pyrolysis reactor. The dried plastic is fed into pyrolysis reactor and it is heated to 300 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius in the absence of oxygen. Condenser. The hot vapor coming from the reactor passes through a water cooled condenser. The hot vapor will convert into coming through a water cooled condenser. Next, non-condenser gas. Some gases do not condense during cooling because it is some gases cannot non-condense the process. Next is solid residue. A small amount of solid residue or gas remains in the